Hello YouTube makeup lovers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to Be Lounge Makeup, I really hope that you stick around and subscribe for more videos. I am here today with a Sephora haul video. I have a ton of goodies that I have bought from Sephora the past couple months, including when the sale was going on back in April that I have not shared with you, and I've had these items in a box since, and I just have not gone around to filming this haul. I've also picked up a couple other items after the sale, just adding them to this video so that I can share with you guys all my new goodies. And some items I have like kind of picked up and used a little bit, so I probably will be able to tell you a little bit about some of them that I just could not wait to just try them. It'll be a little bit of a first impression as well, but for the most part, I just wanted to share with you guys my new Sephora goodies. So we better get started with the Sephora haul. So the first item I got, and I would say this is like my big ticket item. Of course, I got this during the sale, so I did get the 20% off, and I have yet to share it with you. I got this little kit from Dr. Dennis Gross that actually has the Dr. Spectralite Faceware Pro Mask. It also had like some peels, and it had a little sample of the serum, but for the most part, the main reason that I purchased this was because I have been having my eye on the mask. So the kit comes like this. So you have the mask comes in a little bag. It also has the charger, and then in this case it was a little bit of a special. It has like 10 of these universal daily peels, the alpha beta. I've used this before. These are actually really good. It comes with a few of those. Also came with this Dr. Dennis Gross Fill and Repair Serum. It's like a nice size of a sample, but of course the main one is the mask. This comes with the red and blue light mask, and this is one that I've checked so many different reviews and so many different options, and this is the one that I decided to go for. I figured out at the end that you can also use it, obviously this is the regular way to use it, but then you can flip it around and also do it for your neck like this, because there were other ones that I had my eye on that also had like a neck piece, and this one didn't, but it just says just to flip it around and it works. But I just thought it was cool. It works for 3 minutes, and it has 3 settings. So it has the red light setting. There you see it in the red. If you click it again, it goes to the blue light setting, which actually looks more purple. And if you click it a third time, it's a combination of the two, red and blue light. And you just basically have to leave it on for 3 minutes every night, and that's how you're supposed to see the results. So obviously I've already used this a couple times. Definitely too soon to tell you if I feel like a difference in my skin and that like my wrinkles have disappeared or anything like that, but I just thought it was really good, and I'm sure, like, you know, consistency is what's going to help you, right, achieve whatever this is supposed to achieve. So thought it was very cool. It's kind of like a rubbery feeling on the other side, and of course you tie it in the back of your head. So here is the little case to use it. So very excited to continue trying this and see if it really is worth all the hype. From Patrick Ta, I ended up getting these double take blushes. These are the ones that you have a cream and the powder. I already had one of the pinks, but I saw that a bunch of other pinks have come out ever since, so I wanted to get 2 more colors. So I got the colors She's Giving and Just Enough. She's Giving is more like a brighter fuchsia type of color, and Just Enough is more like a baby pink. So the first one of the Patrick Ta blushes that I ever tried is the She's a Doll one, and I kind of wanted to show you the difference between the 3 pinks. I tend to gravitate more towards the cool tone type of pink, so when I saw that more colors came out in this formula, which I love, I really wanted to try other ones. So this is the She's a Doll. This is the one that I already had, and then the ones that I got during the sale, this one is Just Enough, which is more like a baby pink. So I thought that this was really pretty. This is Just Enough. And then the other one I got was She is Giving. And then this one is a little bit more, it's definitely brighter and more cool toned than the She's a Doll one. This one is She is Giving. So let me show you, right? Here is She's a Doll is this one, and She is Giving is this one, and then of course the light one is one. This one is the Just Enough one. So here are the 3 pinks. So I thought that these were really beautiful. Like I said, Love the formula, and I wanted to try some of the newer colors. Next, I just got some repeat purchases of skincare products that I needed to refill. So I got the Glow Recipe. This is the Avocado Ceramide Recovery Serum. This is a holy grail of mine. I use this one in the evening after I apply my retinol at night, so had to repurchase this one. Also got the Tower 28, the SOS Daily Rescue Facial Spray. This is another one that I just recently used up and I had to repurchase it. I even ended up getting the little one for travel just because I thought it was so cute and so convenient for travel, which I already used when I went to New York last weekend. So love it. I got it in both sizes. I also wanted to try some new heavy face creams like for the evening. Like I wanted like some thick, heavy face creams and try something new. So I got the Summer Fridays. This is the Rich Cushion Cream Ultra Plumping Moisturizer, and I saw that the reviews were really good. They have the ingredients that work for me, and it looks like this. I just really wanted to try it. It's kind of fluffy. I've already used this one. Nice and thick. It just feels really, really nice to have it on my skin as a last step in my skincare routine for my nighttime routine. And then I also got this one from Biossance. This is a Squalane Ectoin Overnight Rescue, and this one is even richer. And this one says, I've read that people have used it as a moisturizer, and then I also read that you put it on top of your moisturizer, kind of like a mask that you can like sleep in. For me, I would just use it, I think, as just like the last step in my routine as a moisturizer. This one I have yet to use. I'm really excited to test this one out. I do like to put on something really rich in the evening. I like it to be rich and nourishing, but I don't like it to feel heavy. And from the reviews, it seemed that it was just a very comfortable, nice, rich cream. I also bought this from Sephora brand. This is the Rose Quartz Facial Gua Sha. I've bought a bunch of gua shas in the past, but as gifts, I've never really had one for myself. So I was like, let me try a gua sha. I think it was like $7, and this one I did get during the sale, so I have to learn how to do all this, you know, facial massages. From Rare Beauty, I got the Positive Light Silky Touch Highlighter in the color Exhilarate. This is one that I'm actually wearing it today. I like it. I wanted a new highlighter, that really nice type of you know, of like compact that's like a little bit like bubbly and lifted. It just looks very nice and it feels really, really silky, and I really like the way that it applied on my skin. So excited for this one. I really haven't used it all that much. I love like this nude style packaging. It's so beautiful. So excited to test it out. Really impressed with a lot of the Rare Beauty products that I've tried recently, so I wanted to try other things like that contour stick. I absolutely love. I also got this mini highlighter from Rare Beauty in the color Enlighten, and I love it because their liquid highlighters, they're pretty big bottle, and I didn't want to really commit to it just yet. So I ended up getting this one right here in Enlighten, and I'm really, really liking the color. I love the way it actually goes under the powder highlight that I just showed you. So I just think it's cute. I wanted to test it out. So far, I'm really liking this color. From the brand Guerlain, I ended up getting the Be Glow Oil Kiss Kiss. I had heard really great things about it, and I got it in the color 809 Lavender Glow. It looks like this. This one kind of reminds me of a lot like the Dior ones. The reason I ended up getting it is because someone said that it was better than the Dior ones. It's really good. This one does have a little bit of a plumping factor to it, but it just like, oh, it glides on so nicely. It's the same, I would say it's the same stickiness as the Dior ones. This one has a little bit of a very light tingle because it's supposed to be plumping. Extremely light tingle, not those tingles that like hurt your lips at the end of the day. I'm really loving it. I don't know if I can say that I like it more than the Dior ones just yet, but loving this color. This is very similar to the berry color, and I've already been using this one a lot. This is probably like one of my most recent purchases that I got last month. From Saie Beauty, I got another one of these Doube blushes. I had gotten one in one of these like Sephora favorite set, but they came out with like a really pretty baby pink, and that's like my type of color. This is in the color Baby. I'll show you, this is what it looks like. It's just like a really pretty baby pink color. Love it so much. It's just so pretty. And these These are a little bit more sheer than other blushes that I am used to, but it just looks so nice and pretty, but they glide on nicely. They do look a little bit more on the glowy side. Another one that I was really excited to get was finally the Milk Makeup one, and this is in the shade Splash. These are the Cooling Water Jelly Tint ones. This is the first color that I bought. This is the one, I don't know if you remember when I was doing my video of the Sephora Recs, which I'll link below so you see the recommendations that I had, because those are still, right, the same recommendations that I have for you to buy at Sephora. And this is the one that I could not get online, and while I was filming that video, I saw that it had come back in stock, so I literally paused the video just to purchase it. So this is what the color looks like. It looks really, really dark, but it just like, you know, it feels like cooling, like it feels like a jelly. It's literally like a little jelly like type of product. The only thing with this one is that anytime I swatch it, it like stays put on the hand for a while. So this really definitely lasts. So I kind of like just like patting it on the cheek, and then even though I like to do it with my finger because I feel like it'll stain my makeup brush, not blush, but it looks really, really beautiful. Glow Recipe, I got another repeat product, and this is the Plum Hyaluronic Gloss Balm, and looks like this. This is a really great lip balm. I love it. This is the second time that I purchased this one. It is just a really nice and yummy, yummy lip balm. It's probably like my favorite lip balm that I buy from Sephora. My number one is always like the Sarah Hap Lip Slip. Love that one. And this is probably like my number 2 favorite lip balm. So really, really great product. And then the last item that I got is from the brand Lawless, and I had heard that these lip glosses were so awesome. And this one is the Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Gloss, and I got the shade Lavender Sorbet. So this one looks like this, and again, I have tested it out and it looks really, really pretty. It's like a very light lavendery color, you know, like a pinky lavender, which I love. Consistency, it is a little bit more of a thicker, sticky type of gloss. It's nice and thick, glossy, and I don't remember it being very tingly, that it's uncomfortable. I don't like lip glosses that tingle to the point that it like hurt. Don't care for something that plumps. It's not like something that I look for, but if it helps a little bit, it'd be nice. So that is pretty much it. I really hope that you enjoyed this Sephora haul video. Everything I mentioned will be listed in the description box down below. As always, I want to say thank you so much for watching Be Lounge Makeup. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel before you go, and I will talk to you very, very soon. Bye.